Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin. I had an awesome day in sales. This is only one day of sales on Poshmark. All right, so let's get right into it. I'm going to show you everything that sold on this one day in Poshmark. I'm going to give you the price that I earned for it, and this is after fees, after shipping. Then I'll tell you how much I paid for it, and then I'll deduct that, write it on the board, and we'll have a total for one day of sales on Poshmark. Part of the reason I think I sold so many on Poshmark is I've noticed whenever you list more, it seems like you sell more. And so not just the new stuff you list either. So I'm going to go through and tell you exactly what I earned for each item and then give you a total for my one day of sales. So I've never sold really this much in one day. It's been amazing. So my first sale is this pair of size 11 short shorts. Let me find out my earnings. There they are. All right. Classic Massimo, new with tag, short shorts, $3.05 is what I earned. I bought these for $1 out of a liquidation box, so $2.05 are my earnings on that pair of shorts. And then I've got my Prologue women's 4X tunic, $3.25 is what I earned. Another $1 is what I paid, so I'm at $2.25 for that particular item. Then I've got this really cute electric pink hooded saying that said, it's not me, it's you. It's a really fun kind of sweatshirt. I earned $11.05 on that, and I paid $1 for it, so I'm at $10.05. Then I've got a set of lingerie that I sold. I got this from a new liquidator, which is really, really awesome. It's a black and purple cami lingerie set. That one I paid $1 for my new liquidator. I've got a bunch of other colors, so if you're interested in that, just go ahead and check out my Poshmark store down in the link in the description below. And then you can purchase it there. So this one I earned $7.05. I spent $1 on it, $6.05. A lot of you have been asking, how do I get away with only spending $1 on an item? It's because I buy so many in each liquidation box. All right, so then I sold a women's nursing Moto wireless bra, gray, and $7.25 is what I earned on that. $6.25 are my total profits because I paid $1 for it. Then I've got a pair of really cute new with tags JoyLab medium high performance leggings. $7.05 is what I earned. Again, $1 is what I paid, so $6.05. One day's worth of sales, as you can see, is adding up really well for me. I'm super excited about it. All right, and then I have a new with tags, a New Day rayon scoop neck short sleeve top, $2.25, paid another $1 for that, so I'm at $1.25 for that one. It's kind of a weird 5. All right, and then I'm really excited about this. I just posted these and I'm selling them out. I'm selling out of these like hotcakes. So all of these 3 boxes are the same thing, so I'll just show you the one. But these are a pair of size 9.5 brown combat boots. They're really, really cute. I've got them in other sizes as well. So check out my Poshmark store if you're interested in those. They're a really, really good deal. And so I actually paid, I'm trying to think, I actually paid $4 for those. I earned $20 on that particular sale, so I'm at $16 of profit on that one. Then we're going to wander on down to this side. We've got a new with tags Champion athletic wear pair of pants. $6.05 is what I earned. $1 is what I paid, so I'm at $5.05 for my profits. Remember, this is just one day of sales. So then I've got a bundle of 3 things. I've got this one, which I made a bundle myself. So I put two sizes of shirts, or the same size, but 2 shirts in one picture. And so I sold that one for $22. I sold this red Gilligan and O'Malley for $10. And then the last item I sold for $14. It's an XXL Who What Wear blouse. After all the fees, I made $27.20. I have $1 invested in each one of those. So take $3 off the 27. I'm at $24.20 on that one. Then remember, I told you I sold a bunch of those combat boots. Well, here are 2 more that I sold. This one I earned $14.20. I'm going to take my $4 off that I earned. So I'm at $10.20. And then the next one, and a lot of times they sell for different prices because I offer bundles or I offer discounts just to get it sold. So this one I actually earned $20 on, and so $16 after my $4 off on that one. Then I've got these really cute Cat and Jack sandal shoes. They're very adorable. I paid about $3 for them, and I don't sell kids shoes very well, but I figured I might as well list it, at least get my money back, and that's exactly what I did. I spent $3 on it. $3.25 is what I earned, so a whopping quarter is what I earned, but at least I made my money back on that pallet. I ended up getting 150 pairs of shoes, these being, the boots being some of those, so I'm definitely upside on that. So 25 cents on those sandals. Then I've got this really cute striped top. Women's stripe puff sleeve shirt, $7.25 is what I earned. $6.25 is what I get to keep since I paid $1 for the item. And then I've got a women's Total Comfort lace sleep nightgown. That one I paid $1 for. $4.25 is what I earned. So $3.25 are my profits there. And then I've got this really cute maternity Sea Angel maternity tankini for swimwear. $10.05 is what I earned. $2 is what I paid for that one. So $8.05 are my profits on that. And then two more items that I've got that I earned on this one day of sales on Poshmark that I will tell you. I've got this really cute pair of khaki pants. Trying to get back to my spot here. Really cute pair of Dana Buckman khaki pants here, size extra large, that I paid $1 for out of a liquidation box. $9.05 is what I earned, so $8.05 are my profits on that one. And then last but not least, I have these size small medium, really cute black seamless leggings. $3.25 is what I earned. $1 is what I paid, so $2.25 are what I earned on that one. So I'm going to add all these up, let you know exactly how many orders I have, and this is awesome. 1 day's worth of sales. All right, I've got everything added up, and it comes to $133.50 in 1 day on Poshmark. I'm super excited. 18 separate orders. I'm going to get all this packaged up and sent out to my customers. So it's been a great day of sales on Poshmark for me, and remember, in the end, Jesus wins. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. This is Heather from hookedonpickin.com. If you'd like to purchase my reseller guide, which is fully laminated 3 cards with checklists for Goodwill, eBay, and Amazon, please click the link below and you can purchase it now. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips to show you how to walk through the store and what things I look for when walking through a thrift store to buy and resell items on Amazon, eBay, and other platforms. The Amazon reseller checklist has over 6 major steps and a lot of sub-steps to look at in order to find out, is my item going to be perfect for selling and reselling on Amazon? The eBay card also has 6 major steps to walk through to make sure you're choosing the right item that will be perfect for reselling and making money on eBay. Each card is fully laminated so that it cannot be destroyed easily, and it's perfect for taking with you while you're going on your picking and finding treasure hunting for reselling. I hope this is helpful, and I hope these cards help you to focus your energy to pick the right items to resell online to grow your reseller business. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.